Hi guys, Manav here and I welcome you all to Creedaz. Now this video is going to be all about some of the finest waterfalls that we had found around the town of Manali and some really nice boulders and natural shelters that we came across in this small 8-kilometer hike. So to keep getting such awesome views and to keep seeing us in such weird positions underneath boulders with our trek companions, stay tuned. So time is 1 PM in the afternoon. We just had our lunch and we are starting from the village of Koshla and we'll go and visit a series of waterfalls. Now this initial section of the trail goes through these forest trails near the Koshla village. Super peaceful, beautiful trails all along. Now in less than 1.5 kilometers I guess we have reached the very first waterfall, guys. It becomes the Kunool Nala near the Vashisht temple parking, and this is the very first waterfall. Now the water of this particular waterfall is like super clean, but then I wouldn't again recommend anybody to come here with soap and shampoo and take a bath. Just witness the waterfall, stay here for what, like 5 minutes, enjoy, and then leave this place as beautiful as it was when you came here and saw it. Hey, we have the doggy with us. Let's see how far he goes. Come on, come on, jump up. Yes. Climbing up steeply along the waterfall. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but this is indeed one of the most beautiful waterfalls around Manali. Now guys, whenever I see this waterfall, it always tempts me, to take a bath, because there's such a nice pool here and there's one very nice pool just underneath the waterfall. But if you watch closely, there's a water pipe that is going all the way down to the village of Vashisht, which means that this waterfall is the source for the drinking water for the village. It is my humble request that no matter what, do not, I repeat, please do not take a bath in this waterfall. This water is drinking water for whatnot, thousands of people underneath. Now we are crossing through these beautiful apple orchards, and the peaks that are visible at the center of the screen right now are Mount Makarbe, the highest of all, and this is Mount Friendship Peak. And this is our favorite boulder. Wow. Yoo-hoo! It's gone. I'm the last one left. Yeah. Now this cage is kept here since over a month now, and this is where the leopard would enter. There is a platform there. The moment he puts his weight on the platform, this door would close. But why will he enter? Because just above this platform there will be a meatloaf or even a dog kept as bait attached to that spring. This is how the cage looks from the side, and this is the section that can be detached. And they always keep these heavy stones on top so that the captured animal could not topple the cage. Hey, come out, useless fellow. Now this is the top of the Vashisht village, and there are numerous waterfalls which I haven't explored yet. We are moving towards the next one, guys. Are you ready for this one? Fourth waterfall for the day. Beautiful plunge pool to take a bath. Nice. Now there are also other waterfalls on this route which have no name and they have no access point. Be careful because there are a lot of thorns on this trail because not many people use it, but then it also means that it is very peaceful. Time is 4:30. We have covered 6 kilometers and now we go all the way down. This is how you get the very first glimpse of the beautiful Jogini Falls, guys. Ow! So due to wind, this water just goes everywhere. So you can feel it on the lens. And you can see that, yeah, it is definitely coming towards us. Come on up, can you? Will he come or not? Come on, come on, come on. No? Woo, yes! Wow. So this is what the waterfall does to you. If you go behind, you will get all wet. It will be super cold, but it will be obviously fun. So if you're here on a bright sunny day, you can spot up to 2 to 3 rainbows in one shot. So there's one beaming down and there's another one on top, slightly visible. Yeah, it's like a running rainbow. It will come again, I think. Yes.
Oh my god. These things are just...
It is going to be a quick, steep, adventurous descent to the second drop of the same waterfall. The approach to this waterfall is a little tricky, but yeah, let's see. Oh my god. Now guys, to go on this waterfall, we used to normally take this route. We used to sit here, crawl our way, reach to that point and get down from there, and we used to spend good amount of time there, but the water flow is really high, and there is a lot of mist and water droplets that have accumulated on this side, making this whole area very slippery. So we took a cumulative call to not to go to this waterfall, but I think even from this point this looks magnanimous. And I'll share now on the screen my previous experiences here at this waterfall when the flow was not this high. This is the second section of the same Jogini waterfall, and it is really amazing. Oh, I'm loving his company. Let's explore a small little cave, a big boulder which can accommodate at least 5-6 people. Amazing place to spend the night. A beautiful natural cave shelter.
Yeah, perfect spot.
Perfect spot. Nice place. क्या व्यू है सर हमारी केव से?
Spider-Man. तुमने चुराया मेरा दिल का.
So we are leaving the cave and we are heading towards home now. But what an amazing experience it was. A day well spent in the outdoors. According to Sumed's Strava, we have covered 10.9 kilometers. We started at 1 PM exactly in the afternoon, and the time right now is 5:50. So I think we will anyhow reach home by 6:30. So 5.5 hours and these many points and places. Even if you're a beginner and if you walk extremely slow, you could still do this hike in easily 8 to 9 hours. That means in pure daylight itself you can wind up this whole hike. Now we are up close to the town of Vashisht, and therefore we have put on our masks. The stairway to heaven. Last climb for the day. Yeah. Boom. Done.
Finally.
Back home.
Back home.
13.75 kilometers. Good 14-kilometer hike. Hello. Wow. What? So guys, this is all I had for this sweet little super beginner friendly day hike. I've already dropped the link to the GPX file in the video description below, and I really wish that you could do this day hike as soon as possible once this whole COVID-19 situation normalizes with time. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and I'll see you in the next one.